Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we're going to do an outdoor craft today with a chandelier for outside that I found at a yard sale. Only $4. Come on, check it out.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
All right, nieces and nephews, for this DIY, we're going to need your hot glue gun, of course, some type of old lighting fixture like this chandelier I found for $4 that I'm going to put outside. It's going to be an outdoor lighting decoration. And I like it just the way it is, all rusty and rugged, okay? I'm going to clean it off just a little bit, but I'm keeping the rust because I like the patina it looks on there. Now, you're going to need 4 solar lights. You get from the dollar store. Most solar lights, if you don't know, will fit most candle holders and lighting fixtures like these. Okay? You just take these off here carefully. These bottoms will come off. See that? And we're going to hot glue this into there. Hold on. Let's add some hot glue. All around here. Ooh, not too much, like I almost did. Okay. Get the hot glue strings away and put it on there. Okay. Carefully take apart another one. Ooh, let me take the little tab out too, so it'll work. Oh, yep. Put some hot glue around this. Get the string away and put it right in there. And turn it around. Of course, it's got to be on the cord. Wouldn't be right if it wasn't. Take the little tab out. Okay, see that? Take the bottom off. Okay, twist right off. See how that looks? I'm trying to look at the camera and see what I'm doing at the same time. Put you some hot glue on here. Put this on here. Now I'm going to turn this around and do the last one. See how that came off? Okay. I'm going to put some hot glue around like I did the others. Just around the base there. See that? Get rid of that string. Place it right on there. Unplug this. Now, see, I glued them all on. I'm going to let them dry and remove that one tab I did not. And this will be an excellent fixture at night outdoors, especially if you don't have an outlet. It will look superb hanging in your gazebo or just on a shepherd hook, or you place it on something that holds up high like that on your outdoor table. Let's see what it looks like at night. Ooh, nieces and nephews, I could not wait till nighttime. I had to go into a dark room and let you see how it looks when it lights all up. Just look at that. This has got to be one of the easiest DIYs I've ever done. This will look great outside in the garden at night. Oh, I'm going to see what other dollar store light hacks I can get for you, okay? All right, Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other DIY projects you'd like me to show you. This is going to look so good in the garden. I can't wait. Ain't that right, Nina? Nina says, yeah. All right, y'all. Big love from Uncle Chris. That is gorgeous.